Hi everyone, Mike is here. Today is Monday, and it is a very sad day in our company history because we have nothing to fix. As you can see, there are no new posts on the forum. Everything was already answered and fixed. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about how we make the life of developers easier. In particular, I'm going to be talking about cloud browsers, cloud storage. So we have Azure connection, and we have a button called Browse Data. So that allows us to connect to Azure Blob storage. And what we can do here, we can create containers. I believe this is how it's called in Azure world. So data. And we can upload data into it. We can delete or we can download it to the folder. As you can see, the full functionality is supported. You can delete it. And we can delete containers. So done. You can also access the browser from, let me just create a container first. So create the container. We can also access the browser from connections. Just so here we select the connection. If you click this button, we can browse the data. Or what we can do, we can use it for container selections. It looks slightly differently, but again, you see here's our container. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope this feature will save you a lot of time, and please like and subscribe. And as usual, if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.